Hi everyone, this is Shirisha. Now I am going to explain about the topic number system. In this number system, that tells us about the types of numbers. Now I am giving one example. How we count the stars in the sky? We can start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, we can count the numbers by 1, 2, 3, so on. This is the natural counting. These numbers are called as the natural numbers. The natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This is infinity. Infinity means it is not count. Okay, these numbers are called as the natural numbers. The another name for the natural numbers is counting numbers. The natural numbers are always denoted by capital N. Okay, we can always count with the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the natural. For this, these include the natural numbers. The natural numbers are always denoted by capital N. Suppose if we add 0 to the natural number, 0 to the natural number, 0, 1, 2, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, infinity. These numbers are called as whole numbers. These numbers are called as the whole numbers. The whole numbers are represented by capital W. Next, this is the 0. The whole numbers are represented by capital W. Whole numbers contain 0 and the natural numbers. Next, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these numbers are called as the positive numbers. If a number includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, then that numbers are called as the integers. Negative numbers 0 and if the number system contain the negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers, then that numbers are called as the integers. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. This is plus infinity. Here for the minus number, for the negative numbers, this is minus infinity. Why are integers are introduced? Sometimes we are telling that the temperature in minus degrees centigrade. For that reason they are introduced the integers. The integers are represented by, these are called as the integers. The integers are represented by the capital Z. The capital Z, the integers can contain the negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers. Okay. Here the number system contains the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. The natural numbers means natural counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, infinity. These numbers are called as the natural numbers. This is represented by capital N. If we add 0 to the natural numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the so on infinity, these numbers are called as the whole numbers. This is denoted by capital W. If we add negative numbers to the whole numbers, then that numbers are called as the integers. The integers are represented by capital Z. Now asking one student that how many marks are you get in your subjects? He telling that 18 by 20 in physics, 20 by 20 in maths, 16 by 20 in English. These numbers are in the form of P by Q. Here Q not equal to 0. Here the P and 18, 20, 16, these are belongs to the integers. P and Q belongs to integers and Q not equal to 0. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, Q not equal to 0, P and Q belongs to Z. These numbers are called as the rational numbers. These are called as the rational numbers. For this, in this introduction topic, the natural numbers are subset to the whole numbers. The whole numbers are subset to the integers. Okay, this is about the number system. The real numbers, the rational numbers are represented by the capital Q. Okay, is it understood? Next, now I can explain about how these numbers, the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and the rational numbers are represented in the number line. Here I am taking one number line. Number line is nothing but it is a line. It contains both arrow marks. First I am taking natural numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on infinity. These numbers are called as the natural numbers. Here the distance between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. This is called as the unit distance. This is called as the unit distance. Unit distance is nothing but it is a fixed distance between two numbers. Fixed distance between the two numbers 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Here this is the natural numbers number line. If I am adding 0 to the unit distance for the natural number, then these numbers are called as the whole numbers on the number line. Next, if I am adding the negative numbers with the unit distance, then this number system is called as the integers. Integers are represented by capital Z. Is it understood? Next, I am taking how can we represent the real numbers q in the number line. Suppose I am taking 1 by 2. How can we represent 1 by 2 in the number line? Before going to represent the q in the number line, I am telling about the fractions, proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but if numerator is less than denominator, then the fraction is called as proper fraction. If the numerator is greater than denominator, then that fraction is called as improper fraction. For the proper fraction, always the value is between 0 to 1. Okay, for the proper fraction, the value between always 0 to 1. Here, how can we represent 1 by 2 on the number line? I am taking minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is 1 by 2 is nothing but here numerator 1 is less than 2. So, this is the proper fraction. Always this value is between 0 and 1. Here the denominator 2 is nothing but the values, the fractions between the 0 and 1. Here the 2 is nothing but this is the two parts. 0, 1 by 2, 1. This is the answer. Next, I am taking 3 by 5. This is also a proper fraction because here 3 is less than 5. The numerator is less than denominator. The value lies between 0 and 1. Here I am taking 0, 1, here 2, next minus 1, minus 2, so on minus infinity, so on plus infinity. Here the 5 means here how many parts we have to divide the 1? We have to divide the 1 as 5 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. Here this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, this is 3 units. This is the 3 by 5. Okay, this is about the number line representation. Next I am taking the improper fraction, that is 5 by 3. Here numerator is greater than denominator. For this, how can we represent this number in the number line? Means I am taking the numbers minus infinity. Here the minus infinity, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here 5 by 3 means we have to divide. 3 ones are 3. Here the remainder is 2. We have to write that the mixed fraction 1, 2 by 3. The mixed fraction is 1, 2 by 3. 1, 2 by 3 means here 1. Next we have to divide the 1 to 2, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. Here the 2 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is 1, 2 by 3. This is 1, 2 by 3. This is about the explaining the number system in the number line. Till now I am explaining that what are the numbers in the number system, how we can represent these numbers in the number line. Now I am going to explain about, I am taking two numbers, what are the middle numbers, what are the numbers between the two numbers. Suppose I am taking the two numbers 3 and 5. What is the natural number between 3 and 5? What is the natural number between 3 and 5? That is 4. The next I am taking another number -2, 0. What is the integer number between these two? What is the integer number between these two means here the 1 is the integer, -1 is the integer number between these two, -2 and 0. Next I am taking another number 3 and 4. Here what is the real number between these two numbers? How can we express? Here there is another number is there, no natural number is there, no integer number is there. What is the another number we have to insert is, that is only real number. How can we find that the real number? How can we, what is the middle number between these numbers? By using the mean method. What is the mean? Here we have to take these two numbers, add these two numbers and divide this number by 2. 3 plus 4 means 7 by 2. This is the real number between 3 and 4. This is the process of the inserting the number between, inserting this number. 3 and 4, what is the rational number between 3 and 4 means we have to take the mean method. 3 plus 4 by 2, that is equal 7 by 2 is the rational number which is inserted between 3 and 4. This is only one number. Suppose if we want to insert more than one number, next what is the process? Suppose I want to insert 3 numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, I want to insert 3 numbers, 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. What is the process? 3 and 4. We have to insert 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, here we can change these numbers into 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Next, here how many numbers we have to insert? 3 numbers. 3 numbers means 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 numbers. We have to multiply with 4 by 4 and 4 by 4. Here 3 4s are 12 by 4, 4 4s are 16 by 4. The numbers are 12 by 4, 13 by 4, 15 by 4. These numbers are 15 by 4. This is last number is 16 by 4. This is the 3 numbers. We have to add the numbers with, here we have to add 3 numbers. 3 means we have to multiply with 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 into 4 by 4, that is 12 by 4. 4 into 4 by 4, that is 16 by 4. Here 3 is represented as 12 by 4. Okay, this is the numbers 13, 14, 15 by 4. 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4. The last number is 16 by 4. For inserting only one number between the two rational number, we have to take the mean numbers. If we want to insert more than one number, we have to use how many numbers we have to insert. We have to take one more number. That is, if we want to, suppose we want to add 3 numbers, I am taking 4. We have to multiply these numbers with 4 by 4 and 4 by 4. Here 3 into 4 by 4, 12 by 4, 4 into 4 by 4. 16 by 4. The numbers are 12 by 4, 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4, 16 by 4. 12 by 4 is nothing but it is 3, 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4, here 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is nothing but it is the 4. Here the numerators, the denominators are same. Here the denominators 3 and 4, the denominators are 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Now the denominators are different. Now I am taking the denominators as 3 by 2 and 4 by 3. What we can, these are also the rational numbers. How can we insert the 3 numbers between rational numbers? 3 numbers between 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. 4 by 3. For this, we have to equal the denominators. We have to must equal the denominators, that is 3 by 2. We have to multiply with 3 by 3, 4 by 3 into 2 by 2. 3 3s are 9 by 6, 4 2s are 8 by 6. Here the denominators are same. Now we can add how many numbers? Here the numbers are 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. We have to multiply with 4 by 4. 9 by 6 into 4 by 4. 8 by 6 into 4 by 4. 9 4s are